Hi, and welcome to Joe's Kitchen and Vlogs. Today, we're making cucumber and carrot raitha. Here, we've got 2 small onions chopped up, 1 grated carrot, and 1 cucumber. Here, we're adding the onions to a bowl. Then we add the cucumbers. Then we add the carrots. Look how beautiful it is. It's got so many colors. Here, we're taking the coriander and chopping it up into small pieces. Then we add on the top of the carrots. Just like the cherry on top, but it's not ice cream sundae. Then we mix it all up. You can see how many colors there are now, can't you? Now we're adding the natural yogurt. We're adding 5 spoons of natural yogurt. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 spoons of yogurt. Mix it all up. It looks so colorful. You could just eat it like this, but we prefer it a little softer because, it's really thick. The consistency is really thick. Now, we are going to add a little bit of water. Then mix it. Then we add a little bit more. Mix it all up. When you lift up the spoon with some raitha in, the ingredients should just fall off. If you have any suggestions, please let us know down in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Joe's Kitchen and Vlogs. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified when the next episode comes out. We've already put out a sneak peek for our next video, so check that out after this video ends. Thank you!